Crocheting process requires to take the loop off the hook from time to time. It happens when you have to do something in the another part of this crochet item or even to take a break from the crocheting at all. It looks like this. You finish some stitch and stop crocheting. You extend the loop to prevent it from unraveling and take the hook away from the loop. You can use even a stitch marker to secure. When you make a decision to continue crocheting, you need to return the hook into the working loop that was extended earlier. Some of us don't think about how to do it correctly, but there is a correct way to do it. You should pull the working yarn gently and insert the hook into the loop so that the running working yarn is in front of the hook, not behind it. Make sure that the yarn threads of the working loop don't cross. Then tighten the loop on the hook and start a new stitch. Happy crocheting!